Good morning, everyone. 1st of May, 12:01. Same breakfast. I almost ate half of it while reading the chapter, which is the last one in Psychology of Money. And the last chapter is primarily about confessions. And Morgan Housel, who is the writer of the book, talks about what he thinks about money, his perspective about investments and all. He mentions that personal finance is personal. How you want to manage your finances, it's different for every individual, and all it depends on is want to eat, what you want to wear, where you want to go, where you want to stay, what kind of home do you want, what kind of car do you want to drive. All these decisions are what will define your personal finance. आपको क्या चीज़ें पसंद है लाइफ में, किस तरीके की लाइफस्टाइल आप रहना चाहते हो, दैट इज़ व्हाट विल डिफाइन पर्सनल फाइनेंस फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल. अगर कोई चीज़ एक बंदे के लिए काम कर रही है, ज़रूरी नहीं है वो दूसरे के लिए काम करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक बंदा बहुत ही कंजूसी से पैसा बचा के केवल अपनी रेगुलर लाइफस्टाइल जी रहा है, दूसरा बंदा लाइफ को एंजॉय कर रहा है, ट्रिप्स कर रहा है, डाइन इन कर रहा है, अलग अलग जगह पे 5 स्टार होटल्स में रह रहा है. सो बोथ देयर लाइफस्टाइल्स आर गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट. दोनों का सोचने का नज़रिया अलग होगा, इन्वेस्ट करने का नज़रिया अलग होगा, पैसा सेव करने का नज़रिया अलग होगा. सो फाइनेंस is personal to everyone. Next one is Morgan Housel prefers simplicity. He invests mainly in index funds and avoid debts, not because it's always best strategy, but because it helps him sleep peacefully. So again, आपको जैसे चैप्टर में बार बार बताया गया है कि you need to understand that you need to invest in a way सो दैट आपको नींद प्रॉपर आए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए आपने किसी ऐसी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट कर दिया कि आप दिन भर फ़ोन लेके बैठे हुए दिन भर उसको देख रहे हो जस्ट टू ट्रैक कहीं प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, कहीं लॉस हो रहा है, कहीं ज़्यादा नुकसान तो नहीं हो जाएगा. सो दैट विल नॉट लेट यू स्लीप एट नाइट, दैट विल गिव यू ट्रबल, माइट गिव यू स्ट्रेस. सो आपको ये सब चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी है कि आप किस इंस्ट्रूमेंट में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो सो दैट यू गेट अ प्रॉपर स्लीप. बिकॉज लाइफ में पीस इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. अगर आप ऐसे इंडिविजुअल हो जिसको पीस से कोई मतलब नहीं है, जिसको स्ट्रेस लेना पसंद है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉरवर्ड विद इट, बट दैट्स नॉट द आइडियल वे टू गो. मॉर्गन हाउसल वैल्यूज फ्रीडम मोर देन वेल्थ. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट that you have a specific fund or specific amount of cash in your account, so that if in case you want to do something else in life apart from the job that you're in, apart from the profession that you're in. He also talks about that he do not want to be the richest person. He wants to live a simple, frugal life with all the basic necessities that he wants. So he also adds that he likes to read books, he likes to walk, he likes to listen to podcasts and keep it simple, because life is more about living peacefully and not running in a rat race to get more and more and more money and like show the world that you are rich. He admits luck played a big role. He was not always getting a lot of money. He got opportunities from a very early age. From 20s, he started saving a lot of money, living frugally. Later, when he got into finance, he was able to say that he was independent and he could switch on to anything, any different job, any different role, any different profession, because he had saved a certain amount of sum which helped him to take any decisions without any burden in mind. That is what he focuses, that luck helped him to get the freedom in life. He avoids comparing himself to others. Competing with others in wealth or lifestyle is a trap. He focuses on what mattered to him. So you need to make sure that आप किसी से भी अपने आप को कंपेयर नहीं कर रहे हो. आपकी सैलरी और दूसरे बंदे की सैलरी में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है, स्किल सेट में डिफरेंस होता है. आप अपने आप पर वर्क करिए, अपने आप के स्किल सेट को इम्प्रूव करिए, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू कैन गेट बेटर इन लाइफ. नेवर कंपेयर कि उसकी कार कैसी है, उसका घर कैसा है. दैट is not the way to go. You need to work on your skills. You need to focus on what are the opportunities that you have, where you can start working on. And if in case you want to get into a different profession, different job, you need to work to get there. Do not compare. That's the crux of it. And the final takeaway is money decisions should fit your own life, not someone else's idea of success. So दूसरे का business देख के, दूसरे की lifestyle देख के आप अपने money के decisions मत लीजिए. You have to write it down. What do you want in life? What are your main goals? What are your focus? Where do you find more peace? And that's how you can take the main decision. So that's it for now. अभी finish करेंगे meal of oats और इसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे जिम, बिकॉज आज जिम ओपन है. एंड we'll continue with the workout and let's see how the day goes. Let's go.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
बैक फ्रॉम द जिम. अभी 10-15 मिनट रेस्ट करेंगे, कपड़े चेंज करेंगे. वील हैव द थर्ड मील एंड देन गो आउट फॉर द रन. लेट्स गो. आज वीडियो डालेंगे जिसमें आओगे तुम, ठीक है? क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? रुद्र, कैसा लग रहा है दौड़ के?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
हाँ, अभी हम लोग सेंटर पार्क में हैं और बहुत ही बढ़िया रनिंग ट्रैक बनाया हुआ है। ट्रैक नहीं है लेकिन ट्रैक जैसा है, बहुत बढ़िया है। हमारे साथ रुद्र दौड़ रहे हैं आज, पूरा एक राउंड लगाया है फुटबॉल खेलने के बाद। गुड स्पिरिट, लेट्स गो। Completed the run. 10K done. 10.9. Now we'll head back and reach home. Let's get back to work. See you in a while. Okay. Completed the run. 13 kilometers. Wonderful run. New place to run in Kanpur. मुझे अभी पता चली है, वैसे तो ये बहुत टाइम से ओपन है, लोगों ने मुझे बोला था, बट आई वाज लाइक अंडर इम्प्रेशन कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा. सो टुडे आई गॉट अ चांस टू ट्राई इट एंड it's approved from my side. If in case you want to go out for a run, you can also do your runs in the Shastri Nagar Center Park. That should be a good place to start. Rest, we have all workouts done, all the tasks done for the day. We'll be sitting for work and coding and having the dinner. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay strong. Bye bye.